1-minute revision of the topic fixed assets. What are fixed assets? Fixed assets are assets owned by a business that cannot be converted immediately into cash. For example, land, building, and more. Fixed assets are mostly tangible in nature and used to generate revenue for a long term, minimum an accounting year. They are also called PPE, property, plant, and equipment, long-term assets, capital assets, and more. Some of the highlights of fixed assets are: they are long-term assets acquired by long-term funds. They are shown on the asset side of a balance sheet. Depreciation is charged on fixed assets. Fixed assets are recorded at their historical cost or fair market value minus accumulated depreciation. Fixed assets may be subject to impairment if their carrying value is more than the recoverable value. This requires a write-down of the asset. Some of the common examples of fixed assets are plant and machinery, land, building, vehicles, furniture, computer hardware, equipment, etc.